All right, how you doing, everybody? March continues to be slow. The markets are bleeding out, so gotta take what I can get. Had to wait all the way until 2:30 today to get a trade, but got one, so let's break it down. All right, here we go. Keep running. Get into the 740s. Put an order out for 1,744. All right, I'm started here. CORZ with a starter position, 1,000 shares short at 744. See if it runs through 750. All right, I'll be looking for a move under 730 for the cover. Can it come back down under 730? Didn't get the ad, didn't get up to 760 there. So just in the initial position of 1,000 at 744, looking for a move down under 730. All right, Coors is going to run up higher here. Yes. Is he going to get through 765? Put another 1,000 out, 768. See if I can get that. Trying for the ad at 768 here. Okay, on the ask. No fill again there. No fill again. No fill again. All right, got that. Now I have 2,000 at 756. All right, give me a nice 750 break. All right, keep coming. A little bit more, keep coming. I'm going to take 1,500 off there, down to 500 shares. All right, see if I can get another 500 in here, 784 to get the starter. All right, so now I have 1,000 at 770 starter, essentially. See if it runs up towards $8 here. All right, I'm going to add in another 1,000 here. Kind of thinking that you might struggle to get nicely through 8 here. We'll see. I'll take 1,000 off here. Just seeing what it wants to do now. See if it wants to keep coming. So I'm going to take another 500 off there because I don't really know what it wants to do here. I would like to see it lower, but 780 could hold on here the way this thing has been moving. Can it continue down? See, even with that break there under 80, just right back above it. That's good though, like seeing this. See if I can get 300 off here at 773. Got that. See if it wants to come down under 770 now. Maybe I'll just trail a stop down at this point. I'll keep it real tight. Won't let it go up against me at all because I'm trying to get to the gym. All right, so stopped out there. All done here in CORZ cores, making $260, which I guess I can't really complain about. Had to work it a little bit, had to feel it out a little bit, but in the end, made some money. All right, so there you have it, just the one trade in CORZ. I'm off to the gym. Have a good one.